Yeah, so we got a new manure spreader today. New to us, I guess. It's Meyer V-Max 3954. I think it's the biggest V-Max spreader they make. It seems to be in pretty good shape. It's got one spot where it must have caught a rock up here because the auger's bent, but the flighting's not thin, so that's good. And seems like usually it's this top auger that wears out first. It's thinner material than the bottom ones. You can see the bottom auger is pretty thick there, so seems to be in pretty good shape. It's got a couple minor problems. One it's got the extensions on the side, and it won't fit under our barn cleaner with the extensions on, so we got to take those off. I'm sure those bolts will be nice and rusty, but it seems like to be pretty good shape. We're going to use it to spread manure and spread chicken litter. So being organic, that's the cheapest fertilizer source we have is the chicken litter. So I'm not sure exactly how old the spreader is. I would guess maybe early 2000s, something like that. The jack is missing the handle, broke off. I'm guessing they got a little too close to the ground or close to a tractor tire or something. So found one on Amazon, called the Meyer dealer, and they can't get the part, but Amazon can. So $17, we should be fixed. So maybe we'll get her out in the field and spread a load of manure once we get her straightened out. Get the sides off of it.